Welcome to 3346 Coconut Grove Road, located in Plantation Palms, Land O'Lakes, Florida. Linda Nowicke proudly presents this 2,042 square foot, one-story open floor plan home featuring 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, a home office, a den, which is an optional bedroom 3, a 3-car garage, and a huge screened and covered lanai, all located on a spectacular corner lot with views of Plantation Palms Golf Course. A gorgeous beveled glass door with a cheery sidelight and Palladian window welcome you into the wide, tiled foyer. The GREATROOM plan offers a dining and flex space, perfect for a reading room, a music room, or even a home fitness center. The tastefully updated kitchen blends seamlessly with the spacious family room and offers newer 42-inch wood cabinets with crown molding, granite counters, travertine backsplash, and newer GE stainless appliances, including a French-style refrigerator. The kitchen also offers breakfast bar seating at the island and a sunny breakfast nook. The spacious master bedroom boasts hardwood floors and large walk-in closet. The adjoining master bath includes dual sinks, linen closet, a garden tub, and a walk-in shower. Bedrooms 2 and 3 share a spotless guest bath with a tub-shower combo. The home was recently updated and bedroom 3 was converted into a second home office. This can easily be made into a formal bedroom by adding a closet or, more simply, an armoire. The home office features double doors and connects through the master bath to the master bedroom. The huge lanai offers plenty of room for entertaining and a quiet corner with views to the golf course. Gated Plantation Palms offers 18 holes of golf, a full-service restaurant, driving range, and mini-golf. Top-rated schools, Costco, and Tampa Prime Outlet Mall are just minutes away. And immediately adjacent is the Land O'Lakes Sports Complex with baseball fields, a BMX track, a swimming pool, and more. 3346 Coconut Grove, your new home in Plantation Palms, Land O'Lakes, Florida. For more information, please call your Tampa Realtor, Linda Nowicke, at 813-413-4343, email info@tamparealtynow.com, or visit our website, www.tamparealtynow.com.